Hey y'all, I'm Ariel. Welcome to my channel if you're new, and welcome back if you're a subby. Yeah, get into it, yeah. Get into it, yeah. Y'all, this look is giving me all kinds of life and love, and just like I feel like my magic meter is just all the way filled. Like I'm tired, but I'm energized. You know what I'm saying? Like physically, I'm tired. Mentally, spiritually, emotionally, I'm feeling great. Let's get into the recreation of this look by Beats by Deb. I'm so excited to show y'all, so let's just jump right into it. Okay, so first things first, let me quickly show you how I got this pigment rainbow stripe right here. This is gonna come out so good. I'm so excited. Let's get into it. Okay, so first things first, grab some tape. I should have used like a scotch tape or like a painter's tape. This did do the job, but I definitely would have rather that blue or like that blue painter's tape or that scotch tape. I feel like it would have just stuck better to the skin, but it ended up working out perfectly fine. I went ahead and got my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color white and just filled out that entire area. Blended it with the Beauty Blender, making sure that there are no creases. The first color I went in with is this beautiful, vibrant grape purple. You guys, these pigments are so good. Like, I never felt like my makeup was so bright and colorful before ever in my life. Like even with, of course, an eyeshadow palette, you probably won't get this much pigment. This was just unbelievable to like see and put on my face and really feel like the colors I want are like truly just showing, like they just glowing off my face. Like look at this green, look at this lime green, like, and basically I'm just patting this on top of the concealer, and as I'm going, I'm making sure there are no creases. So I was literally like going back in with my Beauty Blender, blending out some creases, and then continuing to pack on this pigment, but making sure there's not too much pigment on the brush to where it gets clumpy. So I really wanted this to look seamless and smooth. So as you can see, I literally took my Beauty Blender, blended the creases under my eyes before going in with this lime green pigment, and I just made sure to follow the picture as much as possible, but also to not overlap the colors too much, because I didn't want them to blend to where it looked too much as an ombre. I wanted it to be a subtle gradient, but I definitely wanted all of the colors to pop and really show and have their own moment. As far as contacts go, I know how to put them in. Do I still struggle? Yes, I do. I'm struggling right here, as you can see, but once I feel that it's like made contact with my eye, I feel a lot better, and I just wave my head around and they're in. I popped my lashes on. These were literally $1. Let's get a good tape reveal. Look how gorgeous the tape looked after I took it off. You guys, I'm absolutely loving this look, and I'm not even done. Okay, so now that you saw that walkthrough, the only thing I have left to really do is like beat what's left of my face and add a couple of more details to this look, because she does have some like white diamond stars and some rhinestones glued on. So first I need to fill out my brows. Okay, so the eyebrows are outlined. My edges were really getting in the way, but it's okay. They look perfect. As perfect as they're gonna get. You know, I really just want to finish because like I feel like it's gonna look so good. So let's move on to the next part, and let's go ahead and line out this underline here with some concealer. Okay, y'all, so it is officially concealed. Don't feel, put on a show. Make one wrong move and everyone will know. But it's only for today, it's only for today. Wait, tell the gods to open up the gates, 'cause for the first time in forever, there'll be music, there'll be sun. For the first time in forever, I might be noticed by someone. I just really hope that my Prince Charming is just like the most finest, like he's just like so cute to me and like just so sweet to me, but then he's also like rough, you know, knows how to he knows how to really it's all about a balance, right? Okay, let's blend this all out. Okay, so it's all blended out. Now we are gonna go in with foundation. Okay, you guys, we have a dilemma. You guys, I finally ran out of this Fit Me. Maybe it's Maybelline. I finally ran out of this Maybe It's Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the color 355 Coconut. If you would watch... If you've been watching me, you know that I always use this. Damn it. Shit. If you've been watching me, you know I always use this foundation, and I finally ran out, and it's just kind of like heartbreaking. Like, it's just kind of like real sad for me. Like, I didn't know I'd be going through this right now. Like, honestly, I didn't feel like this was gonna be like a second breakup. Like, I felt like it was just gonna kind of be what it was. But now I'm feeling like, I don't know. Anyways, we're gonna be using this Kiss Foundation Natural Finish Liquid Foundation in the color 335. And the reason I got this was because it said cappuccino, okay? I liked the name, it doesn't match. Let me squirt it out so y'all can see.
Oh my.
Like, that's not gonna match. She's not.
Like, are you so serious? Be so fucking for real. Like, be so fucking serious right now.
Okay, let's put this all on, y'all. Okay, so we have all the foundation on, and I still want there to kind of be like a brightening effect around this rainbow stripe. So I'm gonna take the same beauty blender that I used for my concealer. This is like, if you don't know about this, I need you to know. Because if you don't know, now you know, nigga. It's such a great trick. Like, you see how there's like a huge line of demarcation right here? Like, it just looks choppy. Take the same beauty blender you use for your concealer. Look at that. Look at that. Like, it literally just like, oh my god, the gradient that comes from it is heavenly. It's like the perfect marriage between your foundation and your concealer, and it's all because of a small cute little beauty blender. This beauty blender right here. Look at that. Look at that.
Look at that shit.
Look at that. Let's move on to cream blush. If you know me, you know. You know I'm a whore. Ooh. For cream blush. You know what I'm saying? Like, you know, the whore just jumps out and I'm like, hey, how y'all doing? Like, and I'm just gonna put it on the apples of my cheeks. And I feel real cute when I do this. Like, I just feel real, like, girly and, like, real, like, I just feel, like, real rosy and, like, real cute and, like, real, like girly. You know what I'm saying? Like, don't wait too long for it to dry. So I just, like, blend it out pretty, like, honestly, like, right after I put it on. And I just smile while I do it. And I just, like, live my life while I do it. Like, while I'm doing this, I'm just literally living my life like it's golden, 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 golden, living my life like it's golden, 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 living my life like it's golden, 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 cause I'm living my life like it's golden, living my life like it's golden, living my life like it's golden, golden.
Really don't need it. I don't need it. I need it!
Okay, I'm just going to like use this concealer beauty blender again just to make sure we have that concealer, you know, just still there. So we're gonna take this NYX matte finish setting spray and we're just going to get all the creases out. I don't play. And just spray this everywhere. I'll have some other details to do, so let's get into that. Okay, I'm not keeping this look on long, so I'm literally just going to bake really quickly. Like, I just want to set this in place. Honestly, let's just cut to the details. Okay, y'all, oh my gosh, every time I do something like this, I'm like, you know what, before this gets worse, let me just stop here, because if I mess up anymore, I'm gonna lose my mind. I'm gonna go ape shit in this bitch. Like, I get real nervous when I start drawing on my face, because if I mess up at the last second, I'ma flip my shit. So I found these rhinestones because she has some rhinestones under the eye here and just like kind of in random places. So let's put those on, and now let's actually just, and oh, I am applying it with this INV super strong waterproof eyelash adhesive. It's clear, so this is what I use for rhinestones. But like I was saying, let's jump right into the finished look. Okay, y'all, this is the finished look. First of all, how do y'all think I did compared to the originator? Okay, because you can't outdo the doer. Okay, she is the originator. She absolutely ate this look up. Like, I feel like this is her signature look. I know that, like, I discovered her when she did this look. I know I've seen her other makeup looks before that, but this was the look I was like, whoa, wait, whoa, you know. So how do y'all think I did? Like, are we twinning? But I love this look. I knew I was gonna have so much fun doing this look. I just need the product and I can execute the look. So if you guys want fun colors like this, these 6 pigments are on beatsbydebcosmetics.com. Go get yours now. I'm pretty sure she's about to also do like a contest with her pigments, is what she said. So y'all go check that out. Any future MUAs out there, just people who love to do their makeup and get creative, branch out a little bit, have some fun. Yeah, you guys, look at the under eyelashes. Like, did I eat that or what? Okay, but this is going to complete this makeup look. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Y'all be showing up and showing out for me, and I truly appreciate it. I was like thinking, I haven't been on my like posting consistently and doing creative looks since Halloween, Christmas time, and I've really been slacking, because that's how I honestly came to know most of you, is through my Arielloween series I did here on YouTube and on TikTok, but mostly here on YouTube. And I just posted like 6 times a day, every day, and I was just having a blast, like doing all kinds of different looks. So we're gonna get back to that momentum, we're gonna get back to that speed, and I feel like the makeup tutorials are just gonna get better and better, and I just want y'all to be here for it. I just want us to do this together. Okay, so with that being said, make sure you guys show me a little bit of extra love. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe, and share this video with a couple of your friends. Come on now, show them what it is. Show them where the vibe is, right? Like, comment, subscribe, like, comment, subscribe. Y'all make sure y'all comment what other look I should do next, how you guys like this look, if you rate it whatever you rate it, 1 through 10, everything like that. I am going to be doing a reaction video to this look on Omi TV with some strangers, so y'all go check that out. Stranger danger, okay? But yeah, with all that being said, thank you so much for listening, watching, and existing. I'm Ariel. Until we meet again, bye.